Good evening, I'm Mrs. Boland, and I'm helping you review for your college algebra exam at the University of West Florida. Our next question is number 11 on the review. It says a number exceeds another number by 11. The sum of these two numbers is 25. Find the two numbers. Okay, so I read it through once and now I know what it's asking, so I'm going to read it through again. It says a number exceeds another number by 11. The sum of the two numbers is 25. Find the two numbers. So now the third time that I'm reading the problem, I've already, on the second time through, I've decided how I'm going to solve the problem. The third time through, I'm going to start gathering data. So a number, so that's going to be an x, exceeds, that means it's more than, another number, that's going to be my y, by the number 11. And the sum, when I add the two numbers together, of these two numbers is 25. Find the two numbers. So that's my question. So here we go. So we're going to say, let x denote a number. You say, that sounds so silly. I know. So a number. Okay, and then we're going to have y. And it is another number. Okay, we know that the sum of the two numbers, it says right here, the sum of the two numbers is 25. So that means that x plus y equals 25. We also know it says we have a number and it exceeds another number by 11. Okay, so I can have y, or I can have x, and y can be 11 greater than. So y could be equal then to, y can equal to x plus 11, because this is a number exceeds another number by 11. So I'm going to say y exceeds x by 11, so it's plus 11. Now that I know what y equals, I can take y and I can substitute it in right here, and then I have, let me scroll up just a little bit. Well, maybe I can scroll up. No, I can't. Let me see here. There we go. So then we have x plus, now what did y equal? Y equaled x plus 11. So it's x plus 11 is equal to 25. So I have x plus y, and y equals x plus 11 is equal to 25. Now I have one equation with one variable, the variable x. That means I can solve for the variable x. So we're going to combine like terms. So I end up with 2x plus 11 is equal to 25. We're going to subtract 11 from both sides. Oops, I still can't scroll. There we go. So we have 25 minus 11, so 5 minus 1 is 4, and then 2 minus 1 is 1, so it's going to be 14, and that's what 2x equals. So I can divide both sides through by 2, and that'll factor out, and then 2 will go into 14 7 times. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Well, I have up here that y is equal to x plus 11. So I can say y is equal to 7 plus 11, because remember, x equaled 7. So 7 plus 11 is 18. Now my check, so if I want to check my work, that means I'm going to have x plus y should equal to 25. Oh, my computer's goofy again. Okay, so we end up with, what is x? X is 7, plus what is y? It is 18. And does that equal, oh, I hate my computer at times, 25? Sure it does. 7 plus 18 does equal 25. So 25 does equal 25, and so it is correct. So our final answer right over here is that y is equal to 18 and x is equal to 7. If you have other questions, give me an email.